we're here in Tuscany, staying at an old beautiful Borgo. We have a big team of 36 models, and we're shooting a mix of fashion and fine art nudes. Lighting wise, we're shooting with the broncolor L and Move 1200L kits to really bring to life these images both indoors and outdoors. We have multiple photographers shooting with us at the Borgo this week. It's important that any one of them can stick a trigger on their camera no matter what brand it is and be able to work with the gear smoothly and efficiently. We've heard remarks through the week about how easy it is to just shoot and go with the broncolor gear and to be able to get a shot that impresses them even within 5-10 minutes of setting it up. We've been using the high-speed sync function to achieve some really killer shots at really bright times of day. The shot would be around 4,000 for the second f8, and I've been making some images that look as if they were shot at midnight or in the evening rather than on a really bright day here in Tuscany. This technique is really appealing to me because I like to make images that are more atmospheric and almost like painterly and moody. But I'm able to do that at all times of day with this function, and I love that. On a shoot like this in particular, we're doing nudes, you want to kind of keep the atmosphere chilled and relaxed and not have people running around, and you want to keep the set clear. So the Bron app allows us to kind of back off, and Matt can control the app, I can be behind the camera. One thing in particular I'm noticing about the shots that I've been taking and the other photographers have been taking is that they pop to life with the lighting. It really does the cameras justice, particularly when I get the medium format phase 1 out and I want to capture the fine detail of the costume and also a wide shot of the location in that same image. Breathe life into it.